Hey guys, my name is Vlad, and I'm so happy to see all of you again today. Thank you so much for your coming back. Thank you so much for your support. In today's video, I'm going to share with you something really cool because I collect really cool AIs that could be useful for you. These AIs are really cool. That's why I want you to know about it because it could help you with many different things. That's why I recommend you watch this video till the end. If you are ready, then let's get started.
The first AI that I would like to show you is a simplified AI. It is an all-in-one design and marketing platform that helps create social media posts, ads, and other marketing materials. As you could see in their interface, you will have around 8 different tools. The first one is AI Designer. It's good for creating thumbnails, ads, presentation, and so on. These are some examples. As you can see here, there is a bunch of different tools. You can erase background, you can replace background, and you can do a lot of different things. The next tool is the AI video editor. I've tried it and it seems similar to CapCut. You can clone voice here, you can create videos, you can edit videos, you can use different templates. The next tool is AI Writer. These tools could help you write blog posts or anything related to the writing. Another interesting tool that could be useful for social media manager is a social media AI. You basically can connect your social accounts here. You can manage everything from one place. As you could see, and there are other tools that you can utilize inside Simplified for project management, for creating chatbot, for working with images, and so on. So if you're looking all-in-one solution, probably you can try Simplified. It costs $24 a month for all these tools together. Seems really good deal. So if you want, you can try it and share your feedback in comments below. The next AI that I would like to mention today is a text-to-speech AI, ElevenLabs. This AI could help you to create realistic and expressive voices. It could be used for audiobooks, narrative voiceover in the videos, or creating voice assistant for app and websites. With this AI, you can convert text-to-speech, speech-to-speech, dubbing, text to SFX, and you can also do voice cloning. You can record your voice and then make the copy of your voice. So if you're working with a lot of content, if you produce a lot of videos, probably it could be really useful. Price-wise, this AI will cost you about $11 a month for 120 minutes of audio. So it's definitely worth to try if you're working with videos or audios. The next tool is a Guidey. It's a tool for creating step-by-step video guide and tutorial. I think it's really useful for many businesses, especially when you create SOP for your employee. And for those who create a lot of training materials. So all what you need to do is install the extension for your Google Chrome, and then open the tools or website for which you would like to make a guide. For example, in this video, they will show how to create share events with Calendly. All what you need to do, just create the event, and the rest extension will make for you. At the end, you will have this kind of video, and you also can add different voiceover on the top. I haven't tried on myself yet, but it's definitely tools that I would like to try for my tutorials. So you can start with free plan, and then depend on amount of tutorials, you can upgrade to Pro or Business. The WebSim AI is a really interesting simulator that allows users to create and test interactive website mockup without coding. It's definitely interesting playground to do different things. So with the WebSim, I could create different websites or even copy some existing websites. The copy will be not exactly the same, but kind of similar. I'll show you some examples. I'm not sure about real use cases for this, but it's definitely interesting playground. You can create games here, you can create websites here, you You can create a bunch of different things. And I'll show you some example. I will ask a WebSim create a Windows 3.1 application. And after about, I think, 30 seconds, the application will be ready. So it is a web page with some functionality. It doesn't work, but the styling and events are there. So you can click buttons, you can select the text, you can use form field and so on. And if you want, you can even download this page. Or you can copy the URL of the application and you can share it. Okay, let's try one more example. I will ask WebSim make a copy of Amazon homepage, and let's see the result. So as you could see, it's kind of similar, not exactly the same, but really close. Okay, let's try to create a copy of Apple homepage. It is not a great copy, but the style and the color is almost equivalent. The quality of images are really bad, but the styling is there. You can ask WebSim to create a game for you and other different tools, so I recommend you to try it. It's really cool just for spend some time.
That's it. As you can see, this AI is really cool. I hope you like this kind of videos. If you like it, please click like. If you don't like it, it's okay. But please click like and share your feedback and comments below. Thank you so much for you watch this video till the end. Thank you so much for you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.